To our weather now. We are looking ahead to some storms once again, same time as last week. Our weather impact alert just issued for Friday.
So, Chris, what does that mean? I mean, what is possible on Friday?
Widespread downpours, heavy rain, and we're also going to have to keep an eye on how much rain falls and the amount of time, especially as that can contribute to possible flooding, especially as we head into Saturday as well. So the KHU 11 weather team issuing a weather impact alert for Friday. And so as we look at that situation, it's going to be likely during the afternoon hours, but we're keeping that in place throughout the entire day. As heavy rain and isolated flooding is going to be possible, the need is to watch the forecast, have at least 2 or more ways to receive those weather alerts as we progress through the next 2 to 3 days, because it's going to be a pretty messy start to our next weekend. Houston right now mostly quiet, 86 degrees, south winds at 5 miles an hour. Galveston's looking a little hazy out there, and we're also tracking some agricultural fires from Mexico that's bringing in that haze and that's sort of smoke that you see across the skies. 82 right now in Galveston with southeast winds at 14 miles an hour. There is a cold front that's to the north of us. It's slowly making its way south and moving in over Houston. There is some isolated showers along this frontal boundary. The good news though is that most of the stronger storms are well north and east of Houston, mostly over Louisiana, but we're seeing some isolated downpours just north of the Grand Parkway, just to the west of I-45. But of course, Houston, mostly quiet, just the cloudy skies are going to be something that we're going to keep an eye on, especially for this evening. As this front continues south, we could see more of those isolated showers moving through, but we are expecting that front to sag south of us and then eventually start moving northward as we head into the early hours of Friday. That is going to up that rain chance. Also, we're going to be tracking our this next system that's going to be moving through. It's going to be a low pressure system that's going to be moving in from the west. As that low continues into West Texas, that's going to up that rain chance as you see those mid-level winds bringing in those scattered showers and storms for Friday and into Saturday. So Friday afternoon, widespread showers and storms. As long as that low pressure system is there, it's going to keep our atmosphere unstable and unsettled, and we could see more of those downpours heading into Saturday evening as well. So definitely pay attention to the forecast, because that low is not going to really be out of the picture at least until Sunday. Sunday is going to be well to the east of us. We could see some lingering showers and mostly cloudy skies, but we are expecting a muggy outlook, especially as we head into the latter half of the week. So the Storm Prediction Center is including Friday under a risk for flooding, a slight risk for flooding. That does include all of southeast Texas, which includes Houston, as well as north is Livingston, Huntsville, Columbus, even down the Freeport in Galveston. We are going to see an elevated risk for some isolated downpours that could really bring some heavy rain at times. So I know we see a lot of rain off to the east of Houston, but everywhere we'll be under the gun for some possible heavy downpours that could create some issues on some roadways, especially as you're heading home on Friday evening. So future temps warming on up for today, but we will be cooler for tomorrow. Temperatures only topping out in the mid 70s, so we're going to feel the effects of this cold front as it's going to be making its way well to the south of us. But we're also looking at a wetter than normal rainfall outlook through May 16th. So this is kind of giving us a hint that we are going to continue to see this wet pattern as we head closer towards June. As far as your 10-day outlook, we are expecting temperatures to be a bit cooler, especially as we head into Thursday and Friday. And then we're going to be back to warm and muggy conditions for Saturday and Sunday. So a little bit of a temperature roller coaster, especially for the next 7 days. So weather impact alert for Friday. Scattered showers and storms are possible. That's going to potentially last into Saturday. We do have a slight chance for a shower or two for your Mother's Day with highs in the upper 80s. So definitely you're going to want to stay hydrated once those temps warm back up. But then we're going to be partly cloudy and mostly quiet for the middle of the week. But we are just going to have to watch out for Friday and Saturday as we're going to see this unsettled weather pattern eventually return to the Houston area.